Hello, my name is Albeni Laran and this is my pronunciation practice. Reading. Read the following test. Try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind ring, intonation, and stress. Teacher protest. The protest lasts 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more staff in schools. Schools say that there is not money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money on different things. Minimal parts: cat, bat, white, wise, right, rude, kite, night, Kate, steak, cough, coat, pin, bean, till, pill, teach, peach, day, pay, dig, pig, deal, pill, duck, book, date, bait, toll, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, tooth, coot, town, gown, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, ghoul, tag, gag, table, gable, thing, thing, tail, fail, tongue, phone, tick, big. Intonation and stress. Children like to play. The voice is reading a book. The weather is going to change. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michelle, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should it? Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Choose the windows, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Ella, can you help me? Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, there are you? Tony, where are you? I brought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. I can, she is. I can, she is. He will. You should. You should. I can. He didn't. Okay, this is all today. Thank you so much.